Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out these mini MySpikes for the air fryer. Okay, so we've done a few videos now on the channel on the Ninja air fryer. I'll link to a couple of the popular ones we've done up here somewhere. And we're always looking at different ways or different stuff to cook in the air fryer basically. So I think really, unless you're maybe making, let's think, maybe a turkey for Christmas, there's nothing I don't think you can't cook in the air fryer. There's probably some stuff, but I mean generally you can nearly cook most stuff. One of the things you probably couldn't make would be a chicken shawarma. So that is a case of needing like a spike, some kind of spike, or on a doner kebab kind of reel in a takeaway where you do layers and layers of chicken, cook it with different spices, usually chicken thigh on a spike, and then it would obviously cook it for probably low and slow as well, and then you better chop all your chicken off and do a chicken shawarma basically. So I've tried these in the main oven before, and one of the problems I had before was I would use kind of a wooden spike, but it wouldn't fully cook in the middle. And where the MySpike comes in, generally the MySpike, the main product, is exactly for that. So because it's metal, what it does is the metal heats up and it cooks from the centre of the food as well as cooking from the outside, so it gives you more even cooking. So what you'll find if you try and do a shawarma with like a wooden spike is it won't cook in the middle because you've got such a combined binded meat in the middle, it won't cook in the middle. And obviously from a takeaway perspective, they're cooking from the outside in and they shave away the chicken or the doner kebab meat from the outside into the middle. But when you're doing it in an oven, you need to cook the whole thing through. And that's where the MySpike comes in. So the MySpike was the original spike for doing chicken shawarma or other meat, not just chicken, but different chickens on the spike. And this has been specifically designed for the air fryer. So it's a mini MySpike basically. So it's shorter in height so it can fit in your air fryer tray. So in this video, we're going to have a quick look at it here on the table, on the desk, in the studio, and then we'll actually try and cook something in the Ninja air fryer. We'll get some chicken thighs, and we'll try and do a chicken shawarma, basically. So let's have a look inside the box and see what the product's like. And this is what I said originally about the MySpike being the original, the OG of these, really, is the quality of the actual materials that are used for the spike itself. So in the box, we've got the spike and the bases. Got a set of 3 tongs in there with the green ends. That's obviously the branding of MySpike. It's that nice green colour. Got a couple of cards in here. In here we've just got some kind of care instructions, what it is, what to do, what not to do with it. They are dishwasher safe and they are up to 300 degrees Celsius in temperature they can be used at. Also in here, just some of their most popular dishes used with the spice dish. Most popular dishes used with the MySpike. And its actual name is the vertical oven cooking skewer. So there's a couple of pictures on there. We've got a mushroom shawarma, never thought of that for vegetarians. You've got a chicken shawarma and then doner kebab. And the main elements of this, just on their promotional stuff here, healthy eating, so it's oven cooking and baking is one of the healthiest ways to cook. 3D cooking, as I mentioned, it cooks from the base and from the inside up the actual spike, so it can heat that up. So it's saving time and effort. Okay, so let's just have a quick look at these. Just get them out of the packaging. They are quite spiky. I know they're called spike, that sounds stupid, but it is a sharp spike on there so you can really push your food quite easily onto there. You can tell that it's really good quality material. Let's check out the base, because the base needs to be heavy, obviously, to keep it down, and it is, yeah. So there's a little bit of branding on each of these, just says MySpike on there. And they simply work just by screwing these in. You don't have to store them like that in a drawer or cupboard. You can take them apart and store them a lot easily. So you've got 4 of them. Okay, there we go. We've got the 4 stainless steel spikes there, and they are really sharp and spiky, so be really careful with them if you do have some yourself. So what we'll do now is we'll take them into the kitchen and we'll make some stuff basically. So I'll make chicken shawarma. So what I'll probably do is I'll maybe look on the MySpike website or on their Instagram page and get an idea for a recipe off there. But basically spice or flavour some chicken thighs up, and even though they're quite small, you'll still get a good spread of chicken thighs on them. What I don't see at the moment is kind of a recipe as such included. So what I'll do is I'll have a quick look on the MySpike Instagram page and see if they've got a recommendation in terms of timings and things like that. Because obviously with the air fryer, different cooking temperatures and speeds, stuff like that. What I probably would do from experience of using the Ninja air fryer, the dual tray one we've got, I think the best one to do this on would probably either be bake or roast. Air fry, I think would be too intense on the actual chicken, and maybe dry it out quite quickly. So I'll check it out. With it being a thigh that I'll probably use as well, you probably want to go low and slow as I mentioned, so you might want to do like a bake at maybe like 160 possibly. That might be enough. But I'll check it out and I'll be back in a minute with a recipe. Okay, I'm just recording the screen, so I'll put that over there. So there's tons of recipes. Chicken shawarma, air fryer sheesh, tons of recipes here, as you can see. So if I just choose one random one, I'll go just that chicken shawarma one there. Someone's done a video. Your ingredients you need. That one might be just for your main oven. I did see something about an air fryer one. Okay, so the top one there is a MySpike air fryer sheesh. Perfectly cooked shish kebab in the air fryer in just 12 minutes, it says this. So let's have a look at this. Lamb or chicken, yeah, there's a good recipe there. So I want to see what they recommend here. Preheat your air fryer and MySpike the meats. Ours is cooked 12 minutes. Each air fryer can vary. Okay. Doesn't mention there on theirs what setting to put it on, so I might need to mess around with that. So 12 to 15 minutes maybe. I'd maybe go a little bit, I'd go lower and slower, so I'd go 20, 160 on bake I would do, I think. But we'll see, needed to experiment a little bit. Maybe we'll do 2 on one setting and 2 on another, we'll see. But let's go inside and let's prep some chicken. Okay, as you can see, we marinated the chicken in some yogurt, some different spices as well, just to get that going. I will list below in the video what spices I've used, but I've used cumin, turmeric, paprika, garlic powder, and other stuff, but I will list it below the kind of DIY recipe that I made. We marinated that with the yogurt, a little bit of lime juice, half a lime juice, and now I've popped them into the actual air fryer. So let me just show you what's going on with the air fryer. Okay, so air fryer settings, I'm going for a roast. So let me just show you, I've got one set per tray. We're gonna go roast for 30 minutes at 190. So we'll go with that to start with. I'll then temperature probe it if required, but that should be absolutely fine. So we'll come back half an hour-ish and I'll show you the results in a bit. Okay, here we are a couple of days later after using the MySpike Mini. As you saw from the little bit of footage there of the chicken shawarma, absolutely brilliant. Brings a new dimension to the use case of the air fryer. So chicken shawarma in the air fryer, 100% possible. Really, really good. Super impressed by these. And it does exactly what I thought it would. It starts cooking, or certainly gets more heat into the center of the chicken and cooks it out, which has been a major issue for me trying to do shawarma at home before. So really, really versatile. Obviously, if you've got the big one that goes in the oven, even better. But if you've got an air fryer, or you don't want to cook too much shawarma, it's definitely a great use case to use the MySpike Mini. I've checked out the MySpike website. I will link to the actual website below. There are tons of different recipes and ideas on there. But if you're watching the video and got any ideas for me what you could do with this, let me know. I saw one guy, I think it was on the MySpike Instagram page that they linked to. He'd done like a breakfast thing with like hash browns, spam and all sorts on it. I think he'd use the bigger one for that though. But any ideas at all for the MySpike Mini, drop it in the comments section, let me know and we'll give it a try. Okay, we're all done there now with MySpike Mini and the chicken shawarma. Really versatile, super impressed with that. I'll put links below in the description to where you get the product yourself and to the website for MySpike. This is just one of the videos we've done on the Ninja air fryer and cooking stuff in that. So if you want to see some more Ninja air fryer recipes and how-to guides, stick around to check those out.